So for ginger milk pudding, I am taking a whole milk and some grated ginger, or you can use the blender as well to grate this ginger. And I'm just pouring some milk and I'm boiling the milk. So as you can see, the milk is boiled. I mean, like, now you can switch off the flame. And this is the time, this is the time you have to be very careful, where you have to add 3 tablespoons of sugar once turning it off in the milk. It's very simple, and this pudding, definitely everyone loves it. And yeah, I'm just adding 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 and 3. Once adding the sugar, you have to mix it up. You have to mix well in the milk so that the sugar completely dissolves in the milk. And now you have to take it very slowly and put over the grated ginger. So as you can see, the cup, I have taken the grated ginger in it, and have to pour the milk in it, and you have to mix well with the ginger. Yeah, just mix it and let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can come back and see the result. While this is setting up, I'm adding slight pepper on top of it so that it looks colorful and yummy. Just on the top of it.